everyone. So this is the seventh video of our YouTube video series. In our previous video, we were discuss about how we can log in our user credentials, and that previous video we discussed about how we can upload the file in our project through our HTML form. So in this video, we will discuss about how we can show the message to the user. For example, if we are come here and here, if I am putting the wrong information of my email ID and password, we have to show the user message that is invalid credentials or something went wrong. If I am a new member of on this website, so whenever I register my details on here, then we redirect on login page, and here we want to show message that is your registration is successfully completed, please log in now. So this type of tasks we are covering today's video. Okay, so let's start this video. So before that, I am showing you the one thing in our database. Here you can see the password and confirm password is totally matched from here. Okay, because I provided the validation of JavaScript here, and because of that it will coming the uh, password and confirm password is matched. If I remove this validation from here from temporary, I'm just removing that from here, and also I am removing the patterns from here. Require it and same as a password from here, and then I'm just refreshing my registration page, and here I'm just put the random information. For example, anything I'm just putting here, taking as email as a number as a okay. Well, we have to provide the valid number. Then company will set I take it as a random, choose photo, taking as a anything. Then password is a 123456789, and confirm password is a 4545. So let's check it is it come working or not right now. So click on register. Okay, click on register, and here you can see it will redirect us on login page. So let's check out our database. Here you can see this is the random information, the last row, and here you can see now the password and confirm password is a mismatch. Okay, so we have to fix this. So for that we have to come to our controller, and in the registration mapping we have to write one more condition, which is a very simple condition. So you have to remember that, and you have to must configure that. So if c1, which is our model attribute object, c1 dot get password dot equal, in that c1, which is a model attribute again, dot get c password, which is confirm password, then we have to execute this code, this whole code. Okay, this one that is showing us that if the get password, which is password as well as the confirm password is matched, then and then we have to redirect us on a login page. Otherwise, return on same page of registration, that is the register company. Okay, here you can see this one. So we will check now it is now working or not. Just click on register, and similar like previous form, I am just putting a random information. Email, I am putting a valid email. Our phone number is a company website random, choose photo from here, Zam, and password is now 4545. Confirm password is 4545, or I am just writing here 56. Okay, click on register. Okay, here you can see it will redirect us on a same page, which is registration, and I am just checking if the data is coming here or not. Okay, refresh it, and here you can see our data is not coming here, which means our logic is successfully work here. Now I'm just putting the right information here. For example, Ash is the username, then email is a ash, then phone number is a this one, company website, banner, XAMPP, password is a 4545, confirm password 4545. Click on register. Here you can see it will redirect us on login page. Let's check our data is coming here or not. Here you can see our data is successfully come here. Okay, so we now fix our password and confirm password from here. Okay, so our next task is that we have to show the message to user. Okay, so for that we have to one class in our Java, that is a model or a model map, or you can say there is a three type of class, which is first one is a map, second one is a model, and third one is a model map. So it depends on you which kind of class you use in this entire video, but I am using the model map from starting of that video, so that's why I am using that model map. The working of model map is that the model map is a for example store the data. Okay, I am just showing in a tutorial that is model map the whole data, hold that particular data, and we by the use of that model map we show that data in our client side. Okay, so that kind of work basically do by the help of model map. Model map extend the link hash set basically, and link hash set extend the hash set, and hash set is a extend the map interface. Okay, or map interface. Okay, and because of that we can hold that particular data. Okay, so we will discuss in this video how it is working. So for that we after that multi-part file name we have to write here as a model map, and we have to write the model map object, that is mm. You can take it as anything. Okay, then come to here, and here we have to show that message. Okay, so by the help of model at object, that is mm. Okay, mm dot add attribute, or you can write here as a put also. Okay, but I am taking as a add attribute, and here we have to pass two things. First one is a key and second one is a value. So you have to must remember that you have to always the pass the two things here. First one is a key and value. If you learn the collection chapter in a Java, so you remember that in a map interface we always have to pass the keys and value pair. Okay, so I'm just writing here as a login. Oh, okay, register message, register message, and after that we have to pass the value, that is a registration successfully completed, login now. Okay, so this one is our key, this one is our value. Then we have to copy that key holds that value, and we have to pass that key on our login page. So here you can see this one is our login page, and after the login button we have to write here as a, I'm just taking as a paragraph p attribute here, and in this p attribute we have to give the curly braces. Before that curly braces we have to put the dollar symbol, and in that curly braces we have to write our key. Okay, I am just applying the style here. Okay, style is equal to color, then red. Okay, so let's just check it is a, so okay, color is a green. Okay, and one more thing in controller, if the user put it the confirm password and a password is a mismatch, so we have to type here as a mm dot add attribute, and here register error, this is a key, and we have to write here as something went wrong. Okay, if redirect us on register company, which means our registration page. So we have to come to a registration page. Here you can see register.jsp, and after the registration we have to take as a p attribute, sorry, p tag, and in that p tag dollar sign, then curly braces. In this curly braces we have to paste that value and apply the style as a style color red. Okay, we have to pass here this one. Okay, so just check it is working or not. I am just restarting my project from here. Here you can see. Then I'm just opening my project. Click on register and just writing the information of user, that is Manish @gmail.com. Phone number is 8989898989. Okay, company website taking as a random. Company photo, XAMPP, open. Password is now 4545 and confirm password also 4545. Click on register. So here you can see our message is successfully come here, which is a registration is successfully completed. Login now. Why is the style not applied? Because I did some kind of error in CSS, so that's why. Style color. Okay, green spelling. Okay, green. Just refresh it. Refresh. So here you can see now our color is successfully applied here. So now check if we put the password and confirm password is a mismatch. For example, 789. Anything, I'm just putting a random information. Click on register. Here you can see something went wrong. So our message task of registration is successfully completed. Now redirect in our login form. So if the user puts some kind of wrong information here, for example the email or a password, so we want to show the message that something went wrong or check your registration details. Okay, so come to our login mapping. Here you can see this one is our login mapping, and similar like registration, after comma we have to write here model map and this I am just taking as a put rather than an order add attribute. Okay, so here is a condition that is company is empty, then redirect us login company. So here we have to write that condition, or rather than writing condition we are writing here as a so dot put, and in this here you can see there is a two kind of things. First one is our key, second one is our values. So here we have to take as a value. So I'm just taking here as a login error. This is our key. You can take it as anything you want, and I'm just writing here something went wrong, check your details. Okay, so this one is our model attribute. So I'm just simply copy this key from here and come to the login section, and after that previous key of registration we have to again write here p tag, and in this p tag a dollar sign, then curly braces, and in this curly braces we have to write this. And similar like style, we have to apply the style, that is style then color red, because whenever we showing the error that is a red. So I'm just rerun the project from here and check it is working or not. Okay, it is completed. So I just simply refresh it, and here you can see this is our information of user. I'm just writing a random information. For example, I'm taking as a email as this one Ash, and password is anything. Okay, click on login, and here you can see something went wrong, check your details. So which means that our task is successfully finished in this video. That is how we can show the message of user, so he can understand what is the exact problem of behind that things. Okay, so this is saying us, because this is happening because there is a no mapping of that particular page. Okay, okay, so this is not a error because we are not providing that mapping on this anchor tag, that's why it's showing us. Okay, so so this is all about today's video. In this video we discuss about how we can show the message to user, and for that we use one thing only, model attribute, model map class. Okay, this is a class which is a belong of the map interface of collection. Okay, so if you didn't learn the collection chapter in Java, so you don't understand it, so you have to must remember that things in this video. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In next video we will discuss about how we can apply session in our project. Okay, after logout we redirect on login page, and after redirect on login page, without the login of that particular credential we will not redirect on our home page. So this kind of things we discuss in our next video. If you didn't subscribe my channel till now, so I am request you please subscribe my channel, it will motivates me lots. And thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much.